Bike foot pumps can make the process of tire inflation easier, simpler, and they're fine for low-pressure tires found typically on MTBs. The best bike foot pumps are constructed from premium-grade metals and plastics, just like this BEELORD aluminum bike foot pump. BEELORD has sent us this product. We've tested the pump on several occasions and decided to share our thoughts and views. Let's start with the unboxing. Here we can see the storage bag, a stylish and practical carrier with the BEELORD logo on it, which can be used to conveniently transport the foot pump. Now let's open the package. And here's the foot pump packed inside, along with 2 plastic lock replacements. The foot pump is well designed with a solid and durable feel in the hands. This Gauge 54B02 model weighs 5 pounds. Its aluminum alloy frame complements its ergonomic design that can be folded easily for compact storage, unlike floor pumps, which require a lot of storage space. And in case of a picnic or a long adventurous trip in the great outdoors, just put it in the trunk of your car with all the other essentials. This isn't something we'd suggest you carry all the way if you're backpacking though. It has a smart lock system. There's this folding switch that opens easily with a click. This switch stays out of the way while pumping air, and after several uses, which gave us confidence while using it, we locked the switch after using it and stored it wherever was convenient for us. There are dual pistons underneath the paddle, which are also made of aluminum alloy. BEELORD claims it is more efficient than iron-made cylinders. One thing is certain, the foot pump is lightweight compared to the competition, thanks to the aluminum alloy. Moreover, the double cylinders on each pump can move a sufficient amount of air, making tire inflation easier and faster than ever before, saving time and energy. Let's take a look at the paddle. It has a non-skid rubber material with an innovative design and an ample size that provides increased friction and keeps the foot stable, which allows us to pump comfortably. It's ergonomically designed with a high-quality metal spring and returns smoothly after each push. However, we needed to make sure the feet were properly placed on the bottom of the paddle. Otherwise, there was a slight possibility the foot pump would slip and spring up or overturn. Visually, as we see, the precision gauge is on the top. The gauge comes in 2 variants. One of them is coupled with the precision gauge with an analog meter. Another one is equipped with a digital meter. We have them both. Honestly, the one with the analog meter looks more appealing, though it completely depends on personal preference because everything else is the same. The Precision Gauge 44B01 has a brass dial, and during our testing phase, it indicated pressures of up to 160 psi. Furthermore, the dial moves in reaction to the pressure needed in different accessories, and it displayed the data precisely following speed and application of strength. As we pump faster, the dial shows higher pressure. Then there's this digital display, 54B02 1-foot pump. Its display provides an instant response to the pump's pressure. Plus, we've also tested the display performance in darker or low light conditions, and we could easily see the data on the digital display. Besides, we found its hose is both durable, flexible, heat and cold resistant, with excellent bending and air circulation capabilities. One end of this hose is securely attached to the body of the floor pump. The other end holds a multifunctional nozzle with a 2-in-1 design valve head. This nozzle worked with both Presta and Schrader valves, which was a plus for us. In addition to that, we found 3 adapters connected to the hose, an extra needle, and 2 nozzle adapters. Now that we're done discussing its build and features, let us shift to the floor pump's performance. After several usages and comparisons, the BEELORD foot pump showed consistent performance, accuracy, and precise data every time. After all, we had a question in mind. What type of equipment or vehicle is the BEELORD foot pump ideal for? To find out the answer, we experimented on different objects like motorcycles, bicycles, footballs, and so on, and it had absolutely no issue. And above all, we can see that this foot pump is a winner for the price. However, we noticed that the package lacked an instruction manual. Since not everyone is familiar with this product, an instruction manual would have been helpful. Eventually, after viewing and testing the foot pump, we were pleased with the results. BEELORD has delivered the promised performance. So what are your opinions on this product? Please leave a comment if you have any further thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching.